Hi guys, welcome to your channel InfiniTech. In this video, we have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, without wasting time, let's take a look at this masterpiece. The design of this S24 Ultra might look familiar, but there are some noteworthy tweaks. Sporting a flat back, a squared off corners, and distinct rings for each camera, the phone boasts a sleek satin-like finish. What's more, the frame is crafted from titanium, elevating its premium feel. It's a refined look that's sure to turn heads. Now let's talk about that stunning display. The S24 Ultra flaunts a 6.8-inch QHD AMOLED screen with LPTO technology for a more adaptive refresh rate. The 120Hz refresh rate can dial down to as low as 24Hz or 1Hz based on content, ensuring optimal energy efficiency. Notably, the display is flat, a departure from the curved trend with slimmer bezels. Samsung claims a 40% increase in brightness, making it an even more captivating visual experience. And let's not forget, the screen is fortified with Corning Gorilla Armor, providing superior toughness against scratches and impacts. Powering the S24 Ultra is a robust Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, Samsung's flagship choice for 2024. With enhanced performance, especially in ray tracing for games, and the larger vapor chamber for improved thermal management during gaming sessions, it's a powerhouse in every sense. The 5000 mAh battery, 45W charging, and wireless charging support ensure you're always ready for action. Guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Now let's delve into the realm of AI. The S24 Ultra runs on Samsung's One UI 6.1, seamlessly integrating AI-driven features. From real-time two-way translating of calls supporting certain language to live translation of voices and text, the S24 Ultra is breaking language barriers. The Samsung keyboard gets a boost with AI, offering suggestions for rephrasing and more. The AI-driven features extend to the camera app, providing a multitude of creative options. And speaking of the camera, the S24 Ultra's camera setup is a spectacle, featuring a 200-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel 3x zoom, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and the brand new 50-megapixel 5x zoom. It's a quad telesystem that promises optical level quality across various zoom levels. The 5x telephoto, enhanced by AI and an adaptive pixel sensor, aims to deliver exceptional results even in low light. Video enthusiasts will appreciate instant slow-mo conversion and the ability to record in 4K at 120 FPS. The Super HDR preview ensures a more natural and vibrant visual experience. Summing it up, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a phone, it's a technological marvel. With durability upgrades, a flat screen, and a powerhouse of features driven by AI, it's set to redefine your smartphone experience. We can't wait to see how the camera quality has evolved, and with all these AI capabilities, the possibilities are endless. What are your thoughts on the S24 Ultra? Are you excited about the AI features and the powerful camera setup? Let us know in the comments below, and don't miss this video about Motorola Edge 14 Neo, and don't forget to subscribe.